How to create and send an invoice. Within the products section of your system, you can create and send invoices to your customers and clients. This will allow you to streamline your payments processing and ensure that you are capturing the money for your business. Part 1. Creating and sending an invoice. Step 1. Create an invoice. Navigate to Payments and click into the Invoice tab. Click Plus New to start creating your invoice. Note that you can also add generic notes for your invoices using the gear icon right before the New button. Step 2. Edit your invoice. Edit the image in the top left by clicking on it, and this will open your media library where you may choose an existing image or upload a new image. Edit the From info in the top right by clicking on the text so you can update that information accordingly. Add the client or customer's details under the Build To section by clicking on the box underneath that section. You can also click into the invoice number, issue date, and due date to update and make changes to each of these sections. Click plus Add an item to add products from your Products tab for the invoice. Note that the product needs to have already been created in order for it to be included on an invoice. If you need to set up a new product, check out our other tutorials on products if you need any help. Click into the price and quantity sections to update and make changes to each as you need. Step 3. Sending your invoice. Once you create the invoice, you can send it using the green button in the top right corner. You can also copy and mark as sent if you wish to send it using a different means. When you click Send, a pop-up window will appear and you may choose to send the invoice via email and text or just one of those methods. Step 4. Checking the status of an invoice. Navigate to your Invoices tab and you'll see a list of all your invoices. Under the Status tab, you can view the various statuses such as draft, paid, or due in X amount of days. You can also search and filter by the status and date ranges. Invoices may also be found within the Transactions tab. Keep in mind that successful or failed transactions will be visible under Payments and Transactions. Part 2. Invoice Pro Tips. How to add taxes to your invoice. Click Tax Settings and add tax. Add the name of the tax, the rate in a percentage form, a description, and/or the tax ID number in the pop-up window. How to record payments. Within the Invoice Builder, choose the three-dot menu and the drop-down options in the top right corner. Select Record Payment from the drop-down list. A pop-up will appear with two options: Charge a card and Record manually. If you check Charge a card, you can add card information which you can save to a contact record. You can then charge that card on file, or if you've already done this, you can charge a card that is already on file for that client or customer. If you select Record manually, you can use this option to record a payment that you've captured outside the system, such as perhaps you received cash or check for payment. That's all for now. You now have an understanding of how to create and send invoices within your system. This can be completely customized however you need for you to be able to best utilize this section for your business needs.